Sir Mohammed Farah for services to athletics.
Definitely way up there, close to my Olympics medals for sure. To come here to Britain at age of 8, not speaking a word of English, and to achieve what I have achieved over the years, and to be knighted, it's just, there's no word really to describe. It's been an incredible journey, and I've enjoyed every part of it. But at the same time, anything is possible in life, and if you work hard at it. And I remember, going to school with my wife when we were younger age. I never even dreamed of becoming, coming to Buckingham Palace.